What's up, Wildcats? Chef Ryan Clark here from Casino del Sol with another recipe from Sol Bowl's Tailgate Champion of the Week. This week's recipe, I'm gonna do a lamb slider. One of the first things we're gonna do here is I have the ground lamb. We're gonna season that. So I have some coriander, a little bit of cracked cumin. So I'm gonna add that in. I'm gonna season this up with a little bit of pepper, good amount of salt, just a touch of olive oil. So we're gonna mix that up really well. I'm gonna get all the seasonings combined. You don't want to overwork it too much or it can make it tough. And we're going to patty these. So depends on what type of bun that you're using. We're just doing kind of small little sliders. I'm going to shape them so they kind of fit our bun. We want these kind of nice and thin so they cook quickly. So we're going to take these over to the grill. All right, so we have our lamb patties here. I'm going to give them just a light spray of oil using some avocado oil. Come over to our grill. Grill's on about medium-high heat. So we'll drop these on. We'll let these start to sear on one side just a couple of minutes. So these have been cooking about 2 minutes. I'm gonna give them a little flip here. Go about another 30 seconds. What we're gonna do is we have some green chilies. These are from the Heirloom Farmers Market, already roasted off. I like to leave them whole like that. And a little bit of Swiss cheese here. So as that lamb finishes cooking, we're gonna go over and get our buns ready. So these are some really nice buns from Barrio Bread. Again, nice heritage grain, really good flavor. We'll give each of these just a touch of olive oil, and we're gonna go onto the grill with them. You can see our lamb, the cheese is melting. Chili's nice and hot. So I'm gonna bring these over, we're gonna let these rest for a second. We'll make a little sauce for it. So I've got some Greek yogurt, just a tiny bit, a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper, and I've got some fresh mint here. So I'm just gonna pick off a few leaves. I'm gonna discard the stems. Kind of roll these up. We'll just do a thin slice or a chiffonade. Perfect, add that in. Give this just a little mix. It's our mint yogurt. So we're gonna start to put together the sliders here. So we've got our toasted buns. I'm gonna set those down. It's a little bit of our mint yogurt in the bottom here. We have our slider. This is a lamb slider. We have the green chili, a little bit of melted Swiss, just a tiny bit of red onion on top, and these are some radish sprouts. Come back with the tops. I like to put a little bit back on the top side. And here we go, our recipe of the week from Casino del Sol, Sol Bowl Tailgate Champion, lamb from Heirloom Farmers Market, roasted chilies from Heirloom's Farmers Market, finished with some Swiss cheese, a little mint yogurt, and the beer today from Dragoon Brewing Company. This is our Casino del Sol 25th anniversary beer. It's a golden ale, available at Casino del Sol. Come check it out.